In this tutorial, we're going to go over floor division. So what floor division does, it essentially divides two numbers and returns the largest integer less than or equal to the result, or it rounds down to the nearest whole number. Now, for example, we have 7 floor division 2, or the 2 forward slashes. Now, you can see in this one, you have 2 forward slashes. Here we have 1 forward slash. Now, essentially, you can see this is rounding down. We could try it again using floats, and you can see once again 7.2 divided by 2. We get 3.0 opposed to 3.636. Now, how we can practically apply this is an example like this. How many groups of n can be created with x people? Now, if we have 4,839 people, and we have groups of 16, we could simply do x / n. You can see we get 302 groups, opposed to doing something like this, where it would return you a remainder. Now, another example would be how many days will it take to complete the project given the estimated hours y. Now, a day is 24 hours, and our hours will be 1,708. We can come down and do the same here. We could do y / x, and then we could do the other example as well, and run that. Now you can see it's turning us 71 days, opposed to 71.16, as you don't want to send out people for just, a quarter of a day. Now, that was practical application of the floor division operator, and I hope that helps.